Hi, boys and girls. Today we are looking at Chapter 1, Lesson 4, an infographic titled Life on the Plains. What was life like if you were an American Indian on the plains? Your daily activities greatly depended on whether you were a man or a woman. Boys and girls who grew up in native cultures on the Great Plains also had specific roles. For all children, education started early. Usually it consisted of listening to stories and learning songs. Next it says, what do you think? Was it fair for tasks to be divided between men and women among Plains people? That's an interesting question. Let's take a look at the infographic here. Men. They were responsible for boys' education. They could serve as a keeper of the people's history and stories. They hunted buffalo and other game. They fought in wars. Boys. They played games to sharpen their wrestling, hunting, and shooting skills. They learned the value of courage in battle. Women. Women were responsible for girls' education. They scraped animal hides to make teepees and clothes. They set up and took down teepees, packed and unpacked belongings when it was time to move, cooked meals. And some bands and tribes grew corn, sunflower, beans, and squash. Girls. Girls learned to cook, sewed doll clothes and toy teepees, learned to set up and take down a teepee. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and reread these pages if you need to, or rewatch the video. And as always, we'll see you soon.